businessman, but after did my graduation, my MBA from here, thing has been changed. To be honest, I am one of the most youngest and able to achieve 100 crore rupees business within a span of maybe 7 to 8 years. Thanks to DYPCMR. Even you will Google me, Haider Alam, you will find about me everything. So, special thanks to the Sunil sir. So, and the other dignitaries there, Dr. Gupta ma'am, Sony sir, everybody is there. They supported me like anything. I still remember when I started my first journey, my day first was there. Sony sir was there. Then I was very much hesitant to ask many questions. But this guy helped me like anything. Then after Gupta ma'am, she did me everything. And after Sunil sir guided me like anything. I can say only one thing, what I learned from DY Patil. They able to ignite my subconscious mind. There are two kinds of mind is there. One is a cautious mind, what I am talking right now. Other is a subconscious mind. Subconscious mind mein, they give me the power. They taught me lots of good things. Yes, I can do it. Yes, I can be more recommendable person. I can be good human being. I can be successful businessman. I can be good son. I can be good husband. I can be good father. Only I can say, if I can do it, you can be also successful person tomorrow and take our DY Patil name to next level. That is a very super important. But always remember, respect your guru. Wherever you reach, always respect the guru. Whenever you face any problem, please talk to them. Till today, I always connect with my gurus. I keep learning it. Even after finish my MBA from DY Patil, I took the admission in Indian Institute of Management, Ahmedabad. I did my master from Ahmedabad too. Then they told me further things. But never forget your roots. Never forget your roots from where you came. I came from DY Patil. I proudly say that, yes, I am DY Patil. I can say. Thank you very much, guys. If you have any question about my journey, most welcome. You can ask me anything. Only I can say, from scratch, I started a thing and built up 100 crore rupees plus business in 10-year span of time, recognized by Ministry of Government and many things. But you can ask many things if you have any question. Please, if you have anything, you can read. I am ready to answer any question. Anybody want to? पूछा जाए कोई क्वेश्चन? कोई पूछा जाए क्वेश्चन भी? Okay, thank you very much. Thanks a lot.